Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're pan-searing some beautiful New York strip steaks. The most important thing besides having great meat when you pan-sear is to have a great skillet. And that's why I love this French Skillet from Heritage Steel. They're made by 5-ply 316 titanium stainless steel, which makes them extremely durable and they will last for a very, very long time. The first thing that we want to do is season and trim the strip steaks. The only thing we need to do with a strip steak is we need to trim some of the really hard fat on the edges, and then we just want to shape it into good looking steaks. Now we're going to season them, and when I pan-sear, I just like to use a little bit of salt. We're using the Arctic thyme salt from Saltver, and then also a little bit of black pepper. Make sure that you season all the sides. Then we want to let the steak sit for at least 30 minutes. Now when the strip steaks are trimmed, it's time to start pan-searing them. We want to light the burner and set them to medium-high, and then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Now we want to place the strip steak away from us to avoid splatter. Then we're going to pan-sear these first for 4 minutes, flipping every 30 seconds or so. By flipping more frequently, you cook the steaks both more evenly, but also faster. After 4 minutes, crush some garlic and add it to the pan together with some thyme, rosemary, and about half a stick of butter. You might also lower the temperature to medium. Now we want to keep on pan-searing and turning every 30 seconds. You also want to baste with the butter. Don't forget to give the sides of the steaks a great sear as well. When the steaks hit an inner temperature of about 130, it's time to remove them from the pan, and then we want to let them rest for about 5 minutes before we slice them up into thin slices. And that is how I make pan-seared New York strip steaks. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. I love the color of it, perfect medium rare, smells amazing, so here we go. You can really taste the aromatics, the salt. It's so juicy, it's so moist. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.